So crochet became very natural to me. So
Nice.
I was out of work for like 4 years, so I couldn't use
wow.
my feet to sew, so I decided to go ahead and just use my hands. Step into Corinne's fashion world. We can make a difference because our world is your world. So live your dreams and become a part of Corinne's fashion world. Get excited, everybody. I'm back with another stitch pattern. I am going to do, I call it a fishnet stitch. I know it's another name. I'm not sure what the other name is, but it's a fishnet stitch. I'm going to drop the picture right up here for you guys to see exactly what it is I'm talking about. So I'm going to do that stitch pattern for you guys. Also, if you guys would like for me to drop a tutorial on the dress, the fishnet dress, leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to get that accomplished. Alrighty, folks, so we're going to move right into the video. Get excited, folks. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. So I already started the chain. I chained about, I believe it was 25. I did 25 chains, and then I did 25 single crochets going straight across, so it looks like that. As you guys can see, I already chained up one. So to start this off, I am going to chain 28. Yeah, no, I'm going to change 23. I'm going to do 23 chains. I'm going to start it off like that. So basically I'm going to do even numbers, but I have to add some chains on the end here. So I'm going to start off with 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to do another 20 chains. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. So altogether I did 24 chains like that. Focus camera, 24 chains like that. And what I'm going to do, the single crochet row that I created, I'm going to skip down to 5 chains. 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 5th chain I am going to do a slip stitch. So I'm just going to slip stitch right here and pull through, pull the chain so it'll be tight, and pull right in here. And that's the way that look. It's more like a lace stitch we're going to do with PICOT stitch, but I call it a fishnet stitch because I think that just look like a fishnet dress. So then after that, I'm going to chain up 3. Bear with me, folks. I'm so left-handed. 1, 2, 3. So I did the 3 chains. I'm going to go right here in the middle, and I'm going to go right in there like so, right there, and pull through. We're going to do another slip stitch, and you're going to pull through like that, and you have 2 in the loop, and you're going to pull through, and that gives you the PICOT stitch. Let me take that out so you guys can see what it looks like. So it looks like that. So that's the PICOT stitch, and that's the chain of 20. Okay, so we're going to move along. So we're going to do another 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Get excited, everybody. 20 chains. This is so easy. Then we're going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the 5th chain, we're going to slip stitch again. Pull through like that. Pull through. I like to put my yarn to make it tight. And pull right on through there. We're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Your picot stitch, I believe I have a video for picot stitch. I'm going to drop it in the description section. The picot stitch, you can, count up as many chains as you like. If you want it bigger, you can, count up 6 chains, 9 chains, 10 chains, whatever chains you like. I'm just doing 3. Then we're going to come right back down here. Go in those 2 spaces right there, in between those 2 spaces right there. Make sure I'm doing that right. Go right in there like so, pull through, then slip stitch, and that gives you your picot stitch. So this is what it looks like so far. I also want to tell you guys, you can do as many chains as you want. I usually try to do like even chains. So if I'm doing 20 chains, I'm gonna do 5 spaces. Or if I'm doing 20 chains, I'll do 5 spaces. So that the space, if you want the space wider, you can crochet over to how many stitches you want. You can do, if you want it wider, you can do 10 spaces, then slip stitch, then picot stitch, and then chain up again. Alrighty, folks. So if you guys have not done so already, I want you to click the ring-a-ding-ding-ding-ding bell button. Click it so you know when my videos are uploaded. Make sure you click on all so you get notification. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Alrighty, so we're going to do that across again. So we're going to do 20 more chains. Then go over to 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch, doing picot stitch. And then another 20 chains. Then go all the way down to the end. So I'll be back when I get to the end, folks. Okay, so I made it to the end. And I only have 3 spaces left, stitches left. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 20 chains. And then I'll show you guys what to do, but I really want you guys to see exactly how that looks so far. Tell me what you think. Get excited. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into the last single crochet and slip stitch right there. And then we're going to chain up 24. Alrighty, folks? So you want to chain up 24 like you did at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12, everybody. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to flip your work. Like so. Now what we're going to do, the middle of this lace, I call it lace, this space here, the 20 chains, we're gonna make sure you count 10, and then when you get to the middle of the 10 chains, let me count it for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's 10. 10. Let's try that again. I'm sorry, folks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's the middle. So always, whenever you're doing this pattern, always make sure you get to the middle of the 20 chains or whatever number chains you're doing. Alrighty, so everything will be nice and even. And what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna slip stitch right in there. I'm left-handed, so I'm working from the other side. Slip stitch like so. Pull through like so. See how I did that? And we're gonna chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go right here in this space here. And slip stitch again. Do that over, Corinne. Okay, so we're gonna slip stitch right into that space right there. Pull it through. And like so, and that's gonna create the picot stitch. Then we're gonna do another 20 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we're going into the next space here. Don't forget, you gotta count up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make sure it's the middle. Then we're gonna slip stitch right in there like so. And then what we're gonna do after we slip stitch, chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Then what we're gonna do after that, we're gonna go right in the space here, right there, and slip stitch again, like so. And that creates your picot stitch. And you want to do that all the way to the end, like so. Okay, I made it to the end. Now remember, this is only a 1 row repeat, and it's very easy and simple. I hope this is clear enough. So we're gonna count 10 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna slip stitch one more time, like so. Chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go back into that space, slip stitch again. Then we're gonna do another 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when you get to the end, you're going to do this a little differently. What you're going to do, you're going to count up 4 from the end, not the middle, not this side, but from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to slip stitch right into here like so. And you're not going to do a picot stitch on the end. You're just going to chain up 24 and then turn your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the reason why we're doing 24 because you want to use one as a triple crochet. I always do. It depends on how big I want the space, how big I want the lace space. So this is going to be large. So if I wanted to do like a medium size, I would chain up 3 instead of 4 plus 20. So I'm just chaining up 4 plus 20 will give me 24 chains and flip the work. And then you'll come back in here. Don't forget to count your chain 10. You're going to flip the work, chain 10, count up 10 spaces. 10 chains. I'm sorry, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to continue the same thing all the way to the end. Get excited, everybody. I thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, leave me a comment, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys joining my channel. And don't forget to leave me leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to do a tutorial on the fishnet dress. That's gonna be right up here above my head or on the side, either or. But until next time, everybody, believe something good is going to happen for you. No matter what things look like, guess what? We win, folks. We win, we win, we win. Get excited, everybody. Later, later, later. Get excited. I forgot to show you guys what this looked like. So this is what it looked like. I'm sorry, folks, even though I'm showing you guys the picture of the dress that I created, but this is what I call my fishnet pattern. Later, folks, I just want you guys to see it. See how big the space is? So it depends on how big you want your space. You can do 20 chains. You can do less than 20. So that's totally up to you. That's your preference, everybody. But don't forget to hit the ring-a-ding-ding-ding bell button and click all so you know when I'm coming back on. Alrighty, folks. Later. Get excited, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.